why. Why do we behave this way? The question is why. Why do we behave this way? The question is why. Why do we behave this way?
Young man must be taught to kill.
Why do we behave this way?
Young man must be taught to kill. Young man must be taught to kill. Young man must be taught to kill. Man must be taught to kill. Man must be taught to kill. Young 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 man must be taught to kill. Man must be taught to kill. Young man must be taught to kill. Young man must be taught to kill. Young man must be taught to kill. But unfortunately, it's not difficult.
You want to rip out his eyeballs again? You want to tear apart his love machine? You want to destroy him, Father? You don't want to have nothing left of him. You want to send him home in a glad bag to his mommy. Trains are born trained killers. You got to prove that every day. Trains are born trained killers. You got to prove that every day. Trains are born trained killers. You got to prove that every day. Trains are born trained killers. You got to prove that every day.
Why do we behave this way?
To get people to go to war, nations reinforce our fear of strangers. Nations reinforce our fear of strangers. Nations reinforce our fear of strangers. Nations reinforce our fear of strangers.
While they preach the supremacy
Why
of the
do we
state,
behave this way?
declare its omnipotence over individual man, and predict its eventual domination of all peoples on the earth, they are the focus of evil in the modern world.
Why
American imperialism has perpetrated a new bloody crime, from rude and inadmissible verbal attacks against Libya to naked aggression.
This mad dog of the Middle
Why
East
do we
has
behave this way?
a goal of a world revolution.
Why do we
President
behave
Reagan
this way?
should be tried as a war criminal and murderer of children.
Why do we behave this way?
By South Africans and not by foreigners.
Why do we behave this way? Why do we
They are
behave
beating
this
the
way?
passengers. They are threatening to kill them now. They are threatening to kill them now. We
Why
want
do
you
we behave this
now.
way?
While they preach the supremacy of the
Why
state,
do we behave this way?
declare its omnipotence over individual man, and
Why do
predict
we
its
behave
eventual
this way?
domination of all peoples on the earth.
Why do we behave this
They
way?
are the focus of evil in the modern world.
Why do we
They
behave
are
this
the
way?
focus of evil in the modern world.
Why do we behave this way?
America, where we make justice.
Why do we behave this way? 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 Why do we behave this way?
They are the
Why
focus
do
of
we
evil in
behave
the
this
modern
way?
world.
Why do we behave this way? Why do we behave this way? Why do we behave this way? Why do we behave this way?
We might aim at
Why do we behave this way? Why do we behave this way?
is a
Why
reduction
do we behave
of
this way?
this attitude.
Why
Nothing
do we
matters
behave
but
this way?
winning and beating.
Why do we behave this way?